Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at Android SSL bypassing without root. So I have done it with X, right, before, but it was not working. So I'm trying with this next app. So I have downloaded it from the browser. So here is the app that I was working on with. This is the website APK Mirror. So this might have a virus or not. So I'm using on the emulator, so it won't matter me much. Be careful. Let me just get back. So what I have done till now is to get my proxy running on proxy. So it's on zero. So I have done this. And one more thing, I have the FreeDAG server running on. So you need to work like this. So let's go on here only. So this is not working. So let's delete this for a sec. And we have downloaded it. So let me just copy that into Python folder. So I have injected it section over here, but it didn't work. Let's go. Let's see the we can do adb cell. So here you need to make the uh, package what we call that package verifier. So you need to disable it and just hit enter and do exit. Let's use objection. Then what we need to do is to use the dot or Twitter. So we need to pass this APK. So let's do enter, and I hope it has no error. Unpacking the Android. So here you need the prerequisite. You would wanna install this. Since I am using the Manjaro to install the Android SDK builds tool, you need to install this to install APK tool. So here I have the Black Arc repo, right? So I can do Android APK tool. If you download those two tools, the requirement will suffice. So we have the error on the name of the packages. So what we can do is use this. So that was my mistake because I had to use install here. So performing install, right? And let's wait for it to success. So we have the Twitter. Now it's opening on. Use the command objection, right? We do objection. And then we have the gadget. Then we can do com.tweet. So we have the package name tweet the Android. So what we want to do is to just explore it. Now what we want is to do Android SSL pinning disable. So before we do that, if we do login, right, and let's use semester and so this is not my real password or anything, right? So this is just for the test. So if we do login and on an error occurred, so we got this. So what we want to do is to do this, and let's do again. So now certificate is not working as absent. So that should work. So what am I doing wrong on this? So let me just redo that. So let me just open it, and so that should get us in. Thank you guys.